In order to use many of the AI search syndicator software versions that autofill LLM optimized templates, you'll need an API key. Go to OpenAI.com and I'll show you two ways to create an API key. The fastest way for new accounts is to click on Login in the upper right, then scroll down to API Platform. First, we'll sign in to a new account and go through that process and get your API created quickly. Then I'll show those who already have an account how to create an API key inside their account. Now they'll want a little about you and your level of expertise. For your organization name, you can just put in personal if you want. You can skip inviting your team. Name your API key something you will remember. You just created your first API key. Copy it and save it in a safe place. Don't worry, you'll see a list of API keys you've created later. Now click Continue. They will want you to add funds. You can add $5 now or do this later. Now, inside the OpenAI platform, click on Settings in the upper right. You will be directed into your organization settings. And on the left side, you can scroll down to Billing to either add your billing information, refill your account, add an auto refill if you want to add. For those with existing accounts, click on Settings in the upper right, and click on API Keys on the left column. To create another, click the green button on the upper right. Let's remember to name them according to the purpose so you remember. Now be sure to copy your API key and save it in a note file or another safe place.